Hello everyone, and welcome back. Okay, as you can see, I got an awesome package in today from Den Brass, and yeah, I have a lot of his challenge locks here. So, Den Brass, thank you very much for all these challenge locks. I really appreciate the trade. But yeah, I couldn't wait to get home to, to pick one of these. So, let's, well, that one has a really serious bidding. Maybe we'll put that one away for now. Well, we have a number 2 here. Actually, I think we have a number 1. Yep, we have a Den Brass number 1. And it actually looks like it has a pretty open keyway, so, well, let's just go for this one. It is number 1. Alright, let's see if we get that in the vise here. And we have that key ring in the way a little bit. But, oh, that's not too bad. And I can slant it a little bit sideways. Yeah, maybe now I can actually twist it straight too. Oh, that's not too bad right there, actually. Alright. Let's get this thing. Let me see if I put a key next to it or something next to it here so I can focus that in. Okay, I guess that's pretty good. Alright, Harley today sent me a couple of awesome tension wrenches here too. A 50, and I think maybe this one might be a 30, maybe a 40. But I don't even know if I could use one of these in this lock. Darn it. Nope. Alright, well, I guess I'm going to have to use one of mine. I have a 40 thousandths here. Actually fits in there really good too. Alright, well, it's a pretty open keyway, so I think I could go with this Matador actually. I haven't used this pick in a while. It's got a nice hook to it. Alright, well, let's see if we get in this lock. Okay, 1 is loose. 2 is binding. Get a little counter rotation off it too. Okay, I got another click out of it. Okay, I got a couple good clicks from 2. Here's pin 3. Got 1 click from it, but I think I could get a little more. Alright, got a couple of little clicks from him. Another click from 2. 2 clicks from 2. Okay, I think we're on 1. Got a little counter rotation from 1. Okay, got a good click from 1. Okay, we're back on 2. Another click. Another click. I still think I'm getting some counter. Yep, there's 3 clicks. Another click from 3. Another click from 3. I think I get another one. Yep, I felt a little more counter rotation there. Another click from 3. Back on 2 again. He seems okay though. There's 1. Click on 1. Getting some more counter rotation on 1. Another click from 1. Lots of clicks in this lock. Okay, I was getting some counter here. But kind of lost a little bit of that false set. Click on 3, big click on 3. Another click on 2, and I think I got that false set back again, and we're back on 1. Not sure if these are dropping on me. 2 clicks on 1, another click on 2, okay, I think I gotta click on maybe 5, I'm not sure if this is 5 or 6 pins, to be honest with you. I think there was another click from 3, I think, on a big click from 2. Alright, let's see what else we got in this lock. Another click from, I think that was 2. We're back on 1 again. Nope, that's 1. Got another click from 1. Got a little deeper falset. I don't feel these pins dropping, but it's possible. I think I just dropped 1 again now, actually. Yep, another click from 2. So I think maybe that was 3, because that's 2. Yeah, I just heard him drop again. That might have been an overset. Oh, look at that. Big clicks from 2, and I got a pretty good falset. I'm trying to use a little bit heavier tension so I don't keep dropping these pins. Well, now it's a big click from either 5 or 6. Big click from 3, I think. Another little click from 1. Core turned a little bit more. And we're open. Whew! Wow, that was a pretty tough lock. I think that was open on 5. Alright, well, let's see what we have in here. That was a really fun lock, though, gotta tell you. Alright, actually, I'm gonna try to move this out of the way a little bit. And grab my pinning tray. Alright, well, this is just a regular Phillips here. I don't have a key, so we don't want to lock this up. I don't want to have to pick that one again. Yeah, I had to use heavier tension the second half of that lock. Light tension the first half, but I kept dropping some pins, I think, so I had to go a little bit heavier tension. And that's why I was getting some of those really strong clicks. Man, these screws are in there. Where'd that screw go? Oh, there it is. Magnetized here. Alright. We are definitely going to shim this. It's hard to tell where the top of these locks are, but I believe that's the top. Yeah. Alright, let's grab my follower. And let's see what we have here. Alright, it is a 5-pin lock. And we can see some definite threading in every single one of these chambers. Let me focus this up for you. Yeah, we have some threading in every one of these chambers, and every one of these pins had to be picked. And actually pin 4 and, well, there might be some pin and pins in there. So let's take a peek at these pins, because I think they're going to be pretty awesome. Alright, hold on, let me take that back off. Alright, pin 1, we have a very nice deep double spool with a very sharp serration in the middle, and then we have pin 2 is a spool with a little bit of reduced diameter on the top and serrated. Pin 3, okay, it's not a pin and pin, but it has a very small T-pin on top of a spool. 4 is a seriously serrated pin with a T-pin on top. That is a long pin too. And 5 is a double spool. Like I said, everything up here is threaded. But I'll show you those in a minute. Alright, let's see what he has up here. Make sure it stays focused for us. Alright, let's see what we got up here. Pin 1 is a spool with a T-pin on top. Very sharp edge too on top of that. Very sharp. Alright. Oh, here, let me get that spring out actually too. We have a steel spring there, loosely wound. Alright, pin 2 is a very serrated pin in 2. Another loosely wound steel spring. Alright, pin 3. We have a 1-2 triple spool with a nice sharp edge in between one of those. Another loosely wound steel spring, so all the springs might be the same. Then we have another serrated with a very small T-pin on the top. Very small. I'm afraid to actually make them that small in my blocks. Alright, well that spring is not coming out, but it's probably all the same, I think, in here anyway. And we have another double spool with a very small T-pin. Well, that's actually to a sharp point. Yeah, these springs are the same. Oh, that one just went flying. I'll have to find that one, and the other one is kind of stuck there. Well, I think that other one went behind me. But I will find it. They're all the same anyways. And I don't think it could get up here, so there's nothing done up here in the Bible. But yeah, let's take a good look at these pins, because they are pretty awesome. Alright, let's see if I get it to focus real good for you here. Oh, kind of going in and out there. Let me try one more time for you. Alright, well that's pretty good, I guess. Well, pin 1, you can see very double spooled, and it has a very sharp center in that spool. Then we have a serrated spool with a little bit of reduced diameter on the top of that one. Then we have another spool with a very small T-pin. Then we have a seriously nice serrated pin here. T-pins again. And then we have a double spool here, or you might call that serrated. I think that's more of a double spool. And up top here we have a spool that is kind of like a mushroom spool, I guess. A very sharp edge here on the top to a T-pin again. Then we have a nice serrated pin in 2. We have a nice 1-2 triple spool here in 3. Then we have another serrated pin here with a very small T-pin on the top. Very small. Then this one here, I mean, you could poke yourself with this one. Top of that one is very sharp, and that one too is a double spool. Yeah, very awesome. Very fun to pick. They're always fun to pick. So yeah, guys, well, there it is. My first, well, it says, actually it's not my first challenge lock from Den Brass. I did pick a couple of them before, but I think this was probably one of my toughest so far, though. But yeah. Alright guys, well, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. And yeah guys, please everybody, be safe and stay legal. Thanks guys. Bye.